So the first thing we're going to want to do if our activity from Coros is not uploading to Strava, you can see right here I have this 5-mile run and I can basically only see it on my phone. You can see this is my computer, my training dashboard, and this run is not visible on here. So you're going to have to do it wherever you can see this activity. It works the same way on the phone and computer. But once you've actually clicked on the activity you're trying to add to Strava, you can see right here in the top right hand corner, once you click on your activity, there's these 3 dots. You want to click on it and then basically click on the option called export data. When you click on this, we're going to get the GPX file, which is the middle option. You can see right here, we want to just save it to our files just like so. Once it's saved to files, you're going to want to go over to your local internet browser and basically go to strava.com like here. And once you're actually on the website, not the app, you're basically going to want to log into the internet version of Strava. And once you're logged in, you want to click on the 3 lines top right hand corner, and you can basically scroll to the very bottom of this and then click on the upload activity option. When you click on this, we'll actually see this option to do it files. So you can see in the top left, we want to click on the file option right here. And you can see there's the option to called choose file. You basically want to click on this, choose from files, and then you can choose your GPX file that we've actually just saved from Coros. And you can see if we open it, and you can see right here, once we click on save, it'll basically be uploaded to Strava. And as you can see, there we go. Our activity has now posted. It was pretty easy to do, but that's all you need to do. If you found this helpful, leave a like and subscribe.